So move away from doership. This whole idea of doership is a Joker's costume, that the ego wears again and again. And it changes this costume per its own convenience. When something good has happened, it wants to claim ownership of the good event, the pleasant thing, because it wants the credit. It wants you to appreciate me. So it says, see, I did it. Costume of doership has been worn. And then there are times when you're just walking with a tray of fruit in your hand and the tray slips and you say, oh, I didn't do anything. It just happened. Suddenly you have changed your party from doership to non-doership. Do you see this? The costume of doership is worn and removed at convenience. This needs to be intricately observed. Intricately observed. The ego keeps playing games. Am I getting fooled by this? Or do I have enough courage and clarity today to see through all this? Yeah? The first courage is in seeing the truth. The second is in acknowledging. Yeah? Many people see the truth but don't have the courage to acknowledge it. Oh, I just played a farce by saying I did this. Yeah? I just played a farce. Being able to accept immediately. That is the proof that I am established in Satchidanand. For a moment, I slip to the person and I recognize my stand again. Only when I recognize my stand again can I see this, no? Otherwise, how would I even see that I played a farce? So become more and more observant of this tendency of the ego. At its own convenience, it assumes doership and says, I am the cause. At its own convenience, it discards doership and says, I am not the cause. There is no cause and effect. It is all happening. Yeah? Observe these two shuttling stands of the ego and have the courage to acknowledge, okay, this was a farce. I just played farce. The more you acknowledge it, the intensity, or let's say its strength to hold you, will weaken. The roots will weaken. Yeah, and you'll come to a point where there is no more lying, no more farce. Okay? So attempt to get to that point where there is no more farce. I am continuously and consistently ready to see the truth, that there is no cause and no effect in what is happening. It is all the now. The waves of the now are made up of the same thing as the now. There is no two. When there is no two, there is no question of cause and effect, because cause and effect imply two. There is no two.